Claude has been going viral everywhere, so here are 2 free ways that you can use Claude to make CapCut editing effortless. The first skill that we're going to learn is number animation. They feature in viral videos like this and this. So you're going to head over to Claude and create an account. Now you do not need the paid version of Claude, this works with the free version as well. And paste this prompt telling Claude to create a .srt file of the numbers you want and the animation and how long you want the animation to last. You can tailor this to specific contexts of clips that you might need. Now you're going to let Claude do its thing, and once it's generated your number animation, you're going to press download and drag it to your desktop or your downloaded files. Then you're going to drag it and drop it onto Capcut. Then you're going to press Shift and try to select the whole file. Now you can adjust the numbers accordingly, changing the size, shape, color, and text, as I'm indicating over here. For now, I'm just gonna go with this neon green. Now we have a slight problem where the animation is far exceeding the length of the video. So as a bonus tip, you're going to want to press Shift again and select the whole animation. Then press right click and create a compound clip. This is going to merge all the little animations of the numbers into one clip. From here, you can adjust the speed to fit your video accordingly, like so. And this should be the result. The next skill that we're going to learn is how to make your videos look more professional as if they were shot in a studio. Now to do this, again, I want to emphasize that you do not need the paid version of Claude and that it is completely free. So this time you're going to paste this prompt. I've gone for a cinematic and clean look. However, you can tailor the prompt to fit your needs if you want something different for the context of your project. Now again, once Claude has done its thing, you want to make your way to download and download it to your desktop or drive. Now you're going to go to Capcut again, and this time we're going to go on adjustments and then click LUT and import the downloaded file. Then it'll give us a nice professional looking color gradient. I personally think this is a bit too intense, so I will adjust the intensity to fit my liking. And there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. My name's Mike and I work alongside Junius to help viewers with content creation and video editing. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.